I'm a little bit scared now because I'm alone here. So guys, we have finally reached here at DOW school. So guys, after having our lunch, now we'll be heading towards DOW. It is in Kurseong, and it is one of the most haunted places in India. So you guys keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it to your friends as well. So let us travel to Kurseong and see the DOW. So alright guys, now we are heading towards Kurseong. So this is the GOM station. This is the highest, the highest station in India. It was built in the year 1891. So this toy train, it is to stop here for some time, like it might be around 30 minutes. We'll click some photos and directly head towards Kurseong. Dazzling vibes. Dazzling vibes. So there are two toy trains. Okay, one is steam engine and one is diesel engine. This one is steam engine and that another one is diesel engine. So now let's go towards Kurseong. It is around 25 kilometers away from here, and it will take us around 1 hour to reach there. Oh my god guys, see the view. Oh my god, see all this. On the sides you can see all these trees. These trees are pine trees. Oi. Since we are, since we are descending downhill, the bike, it's like what, you don't need to accelerate that much. Oh my god. Now the road has become very foggy. All these are clouds. So if you are traveling in the hilly regions, you cannot predict the weather. Sometimes it will become foggy like this, and sometimes it will rain suddenly. So you cannot predict. And sometimes you can also encounter heavy sunshine in between. For example, if you are traveling from Darjeeling to Kurseong, you might also encounter a heavy sunshine. So this is how the weather is in the hilly regions. Oh my god. Woo. Ooh. See, now it is all clear. So guys, did you see that spot? Now you see that one. I said not before. In some places you will see sunny, some places you will see cloudy, and sometimes it used to rain heavily. But we are very lucky. If you are traveling via this Kurseong, you can also go to Gangtok, and you have seen this rail tracks, right? These rail tracks services were functional from Siliguri till Darjeeling in the olden days, but this time I don't think it is functional. But still the rail track is there. It was built mainly for the purpose of traveling from Siliguri to Darjeeling. As per the information provided in the Google, it is said like that, but I don't know how far it is true. If you know more about these things, you can write in the comment section. You are always welcome to comment. Whatever you feels like about my video, you just pin a comment. So अभी कुरसेंग जाना है, वो ऑलरेडी पहुंच गया है, कुरसेंग एरिया में ऑलरेडी पहुंच गया, लेकिन वो जगह है ना, the place where we are planning to go is around 2.2 kilometers away again. It is known as DOW Hill, one of the most haunted places in India, and I'll show you the place. So guys, we have finally reached here at DOW Hill School. So it is in Kurseong, and it is in Darjeeling area. And as per my knowledge, majority of the schools and churches are in Kurseong. As compared to the main town in Darjeeling, we can see majority of the schools and churches. So we'll explore some of the places again. There are a lot of places that side. You can see this lot of pine trees here, and we'll just go this side and explore more of the places. And there is also one church, actually, which is closed now. I will also try to show that place. Chalo, chalo. Oi, Sabi kidhar hai? Haha. Now I'll be riding this Hulk marble. Oh. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Oh, 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 oh. After a long time, I'm riding KTM RC. Oh my God! See the scenery, guys. These are all pine trees. Woo! Oh my God, क्या बात है. So guys, finally I have reached here at DOW Hill, and I am here alone. I don't know where my friends had gone. I think I came to the wrong route, and here I am alone exploring this place. It is like, what to say, I'm exploring a haunted place. So as per my research, I have seen that this place is considered as one of the most haunted places in India. And here I am alone exploring. It is so funny. So what to say? From here I'll turn back and I'll just wait them down there. And there are also certain stories being narrated in the in the article. It is also said that there is a church. I don't know exactly which side of this DOW Hill it is, but there is a church. It is considered to be a haunted place, and it is closed by the government. And there are also stories being narrated, like local people used to narrate like that. I mean, according to local people, especially the woodcutters, they used to say that there is a boy, I mean, without head. They used to just roam. He used to roam around, and It is also said that a woman with glaring eyes used to move around the forest. And I don't know how far it is true, but here I'm exploring alone. And it is also famous for paranormal activities happening in here and there. But I don't know how far it is true, but as per my knowledge, which I have read in Google, it is like that. So what to do? I am here alone. I'll be just moving back to that place. I mean, to the point from where I have diverted, and I will wait for my friends there. So guys, keep on watching. It is like I'm a little bit scared now because I am alone here. Oh, chalo guys, let's go back to the point from where I came back. I came. Oh my God, I'm really scared, man. It's really funny. Finally, I made my guys back. Woo. Now we are searching for a spot, nice spot. I mean, nice spot to click a photo. Oh my God! Oh, down there is Kali Mandir. Kali Mandir. So finally guys, we came back from the downhill, and you have seen what kind of downhill it is. So you can judge by my video that whether you consider it as a haunted place or not. You just comment it below guys. And now we are heading towards the hotel which we have booked for 2 days. It is in Darjeeling. I mean, it is in Darjeeling town. My mind started to divert because we have been riding since morning and we are very tired, and my mind got distracted. So I will end the video here. I mean, I'll end the episode 3 here. And if you are new to the channel and if you are interested, please do subscribe the channel. I will try to upload this kind of videos in my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next vlog. And in the next vlog, I mean in the next episode, I'll try to explore and show you the night life of Darjeeling city. So take care guys, bye bye, see you in the next vlog.